Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain the function of two important government agencies in Malaysia. The number one is SSM, the Company Commission of Malaysia, and the LHDN, the Island Revenue Board. SSM is handle registering and checking business. LHDN is collect tax and make sure tax law and forward. Function of SSM is register company. Register is company like handle registration of Sendirian Berhad and sole proprietorships. Number two is educate entrepreneurs. It's like give awareness program and training on business law. Number three is ensure compliance. Make sure company follow the company ethics and service return. Number four is promote good governance. It's like encourage democracy and ethics in business. Number five is provide information and service. It's like offer company search service to the public. Function of LHDN is collect income tax, for example annual tax from salary work. And number two, enforce tax law is apply the income. And number three is advise the government on tax policy. Is prevent tax evasion, is like audit underreported income. Closing is ensure SSM manage company registration and compliance, while HDN handle tax collection and enforce tax laws.
Hello, my name is Auni Maisara binti Zamzam. My matric number is 23 DPS 25F1028. So right now, I will present about the type of accounting field. The first one is auditing, which is checking financial records to make sure everything is accurate and follows the rules. Auditor review a company's accounts, receipts, and reports to detect mistakes or fraud. For example, a company hires an auditor to check if their yearly financial report is correct before presenting it to investors. Next is taxation, which is preparing and managing taxes for individuals or businesses. Accountants calculate how much tax needs to be paid and help with filing tax returns. For example, an accountant helps a bakery calculate the income tax they owe to the government. Lastly is financial accounting, recording or reporting a company's daily transaction, and prepare financial statements like the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement to show the company's financial health. For example, recording sales, expenses, and profit for a clothing store each month. That's all from me. Thank you.
Accounting concept. Contents: historical cost, prudence, consistency. Historical cost. The concept of historical cost requires all assets and liability of a business to be recorded at their historical cost. Historical cost is the original cost of obtaining an asset or liability. The historical cost can be accessed via the original sum document prepared from the business activity. Example, a company buy land for 100,000 ringgit. Even if the market value rise to 135 ringgit, it is the record 100,000 ringgit in the accounts. Prudence. The concept of prudence requires accountants to exercise a degree of caution in the application of accounting policy to avoid overstating asset and revenue and to avoid understanding liabilities and expenses. The behind idea this concept is the business should not recognize an asset or revenue at a value that is higher than the amount, which is expected to be recovered from its sale or use. Conversely, liabilities and expenses of a business should not be prepared below the amount that is likely to be paid in its respect in the future. Example, if there change, a customer may now pay 500,000 ringgit in the business, record it as a full debt immediately. Consistency. The concept of consistency requires a business to keep using the same specific accounting method that the business has applied on a go-forward basis. Businesses are not allowed to change the method unless there is some reason to do otherwise. This concept may then ensure that the financial statement prepared in the multiple periods can be reliably compared. Example, if a company uses a straight line method of depreciation this year, it should continue using the same method in the future years unless there is a valid reason
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arishami bin Nazri. My matrix number is 23 DBS 25F 1044. Today, I will explain about two accounting concepts, which are matching and accrual. The first one is the matching concept. This concept means that expenses must be recorded in the same period as the revenue they help to generate. For example, a company sells product in December 2025 but pays the sales commission in January 2026. The commission expense is still recorded in December 2025 because it relates to the sales made in that month. Next, accrual concept. This concept states that revenues and expenses are recorded when they are earned or incurred, not when the cash is received or paid. For example, a company provides IT services in September 2025 but receives payment in October 2025. The service revenue is recorded in September 2025 when the service was rendered. In summary, matching focuses on matching expenses with related revenue, while accrual focuses on recording transactions when they happen, not when cash moves. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Amni binti Faizul. Today I will present about source document in accounting. Source documents are proof of business transaction. They are recorded in the book of prime entry. Example are sales invoice, purchase invoice, credit notes, debit notes, and check counterfoil. Sales invoice. Sales invoice is issued the sellers for credit sales. Example, Ahmad sold 2,000 ringgit goods on credit. Purchase invoice. Purchase invoice is received by buyers for credit purchases. Example, Ahmad buys 1,500 ringgit stock on credit. Credit note. Credit note is issued by seller when goods are returned or overcharged. Example, Ahmad returned goods 200 ringgit. Debit note. Debit note is issued by buyers for faulty goods. Example, Ahmad claims 100 ringgit damaged good. Check counterfoil. Check counterfoil is proof of payment by check. Example, Ahmad paid 500 ringgit electric bill. In summary, different source documents are recorded in different book prime of entry. Source documents are very important for accurate accounting recorded. For me, and that's all for me. Thank you.